जमाल मैं ये फुंदा अब मेरे GCSE
मैं क्या करूं?
ये स्क्वायर मेरे लिए
Oh no!
जमाल
Quadratica! 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 Quadratica!
So tell me again, Slumdog. You started off with a complete square?
Yes.
नीमिया तू कुछ चीर पाके रख ले पल्ले विच मुखड़ा लुका के रख ले नीमिया तू कुछ चीर पाके रख ले पल्ले विच मुखड़ा लुका के रख ले
Welcome back to Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, where our mathswala is on 1 million rupees. So, here's the question. What do we get if we expand x plus b squared? Is it A, 2x plus 2b? B, x squared plus b squared? C, x squared plus 2bx plus b squared? Or is it D, x plus b squared? But how did you solve the million rupee question, you mongrel?
I used to own a square plot of dung heap land in the slums, of indeterminate size.
The area was x squared, you agree?
That's right. And then I made a few rupees selling photographs of famous mathematicians.
You want postcard?
Rama Gupta, my favourite mathematician.
Oh no!
Oh, that's my money.
Come here you slumdog
I bought a bigger square plot of dung heap land. It was 3 meters wider and longer, so if the old sides were x and the area x squared, then the new sides will be x plus 3, and then the new area x plus 3 squared.
But how can you simplify x plus 3 squared?
Well, I divided my new land into sections. I had the clunky shack,
X squared?
then down the new sides I put the chicken runs. As long as the shack but 3 meters wide.
Each one is 3x?
And then in the corner, my dunny.
3 wide, 3 long, it is 9!
X squared plus 3x, with 3x and 9, makes x squared plus 6x plus 9. And this is the same as x plus 3 squared.
So it's C. C.
How can you be so sure, Maxwell?
I just know.
Just. Okay. Computer G, tell us if he's right. So you got brackets from your dung heap, but how do you unexpand your brackets, Mr. Magic Bracket Man? 5 million rupees. Factorize x squared plus 10x plus 25.
To factorize this quadratic, you have x squared, the clunky shack, 10x, the chickens, and 25, the dunny. I split the chickens in half, 5x each, and put the runs next to the shack. Then in the corner, my dunny, all the pieces make a square of side x plus 5.
D. Are you sure it's not B?
D, final answer.
It's the right answer. Anyone can show this. Anyone can show, for example, that x squared plus 10x plus 25 makes x plus 5 squared. What if I add or subtract a bit? Let's say x squared plus 10x plus 21 or x squared.
That's exactly the point.
To rewrite this quadratic, I need to make a perfect square and then see if my dunny fits. I split the chickens in half, 5x each, and put the runs next to the shack. If I put my 21 dunny aside, to make a square I would need a dunny of side 5. Its area would be 25. This makes a perfect square of side x plus 5. To change this to my quadratic, I take away the perfect dunny and replace it with 21. Since my dunny is 4 smaller than the perfect dunny, this quadratic is x plus 5 squared minus 4.
So Jamal, now you're on the question for 20 million rupees.
Can you repeat the question?
What's wrong, Mathswala? Are you nervous?
No. Are you?
You've got a very difficult question here. It's the solution of a general quadratic equation.
Now, if this is an equation equal to 0, we can divide both sides by a. A, B and C are variables of any size, but whatever they are, we do the same as before. I split the chickens in half. Half of B over A is B over 2A. So the area of each chicken run is B over 2AX. Like before, I put the chickens next to the shack. If I put my C over A dunny aside, to make a square I would need a dunny of size B over 2A. Its area would be B squared over 4A squared. This makes a perfect square of side x plus B over 2A. To change this to quadratic, I take away the perfect dunny and replace it with my C over A. Having written the equation in the complete square form, I can now solve it. I bring my dunny to the right hand side. C over A is equivalent to 4AC over 4A squared. We replace C over A and put the fractions together. Then I square root both sides, and to get the final answer, I take away B.
I need an answer, Mathswala.
It's B. X equals negative B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC, and you divide it all by 2A.
So, for 20 million rupees, this is your final answer.
Final answer.
Let's take a break.
This is the quadratic formula song. Will you please listen and sing along with me? Pay attention closely. X equals negative B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC. Then you divide it all by 2A. ਨੀਵੀਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਚੀਰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਪੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਖੜਾ ਲੁਕਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ
Being Indian, I'm fantastic at taekwondo.
ਨੀਵੀਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਚੀਰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ
You know what? I was going to Tokyo. I cancelled the whole thing for Fulham to see one player, Clint Dempsey. I leave early and miss the goal.